with our partner APS, recognizing all the linemen that went down to Puerto Rico and helped restore the power after the hurricanes this past year. And it's just incredible to be here and witness all of those employees that gave their time. We had some get to come down and be in the anthem lineup alongside of our D-backs players. We had some get recognized before the game as we had showed a 1-minute video recap of everything that went on. We've got some that are going to go do a radio visit during the game and watch a live radio broadcast in action. And then we had a group of employees that got to come down on the field before the game and witness what live batting practice looks like from the field.
I got to go on the field, which I've never been on the field before. Standing on the actual dirt next to the home plate was very interesting, and to see it from that perspective was interesting.
Our partnership with APS they've been a partner since day one of the Diamondbacks, so it's something that's very near and dear to our hearts. We're major partners in the community. We do a lot of great initiatives and giving back to the community together, which is always the right thing to do, and we couldn't have a better partner than APS to do that with.
Yeah, and I really want to give a shout out to the Diamondbacks organization for taking really good care of the crews and all the support folks to make our Puerto Rico experience happen. It's been great.